Hi guys, welcome to Jaffrey family. In today's vlog, I'm going to share with you my secret recipe for superfood or super smoothie, which helps lose weight at the same time boosts your immune system, digestive system, and full with antioxidants. So, as you can see in front of me, got some cucumber, some pineapples, spinach, kale, some strawberries. They're mainly for sweetening, but also has health benefits. Some kiwi and also some ginger. I would have also add some lemon juice, but I haven't got it at home. But you can always add this. So all these ingredients are low in calories, high in nutrients and antioxidants. Berries are nutritious. Also, they sweeten the smoothie. Spinach is low in calories and high in fiber, vitamin C, vitamin A, and iron. Kale contains fiber, antioxidants, calcium, vitamin C and K, and iron, among other minerals. Kale helps manage blood pressure, boosts digestive health, and protects against cancer and type 2 diabetes. Ginger may plays a role in weight loss and is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Cucumber is low in calories and rich in vitamins and minerals. It helps promoting hydration and aids in weight loss as well. Pineapple improves digestion, immunity, and recovery from surgery. May also ease symptoms of arthritis and reduce risk of cancer. Kiwis are high in vitamin C and dietary fiber and can support heart health, digestive health, and immunity. You can put all these ingredients in your smoothie and make a very delicious smoothie, so which I'm going to do now, and I'll show you the process. So as you can see, I've put all the ingredients in my Ninja 3-in-1 food processor, and I'm going to use the max blend option so that the smoothie gets really smooth. So as you can see, our smoothie is ready now. Let me taste it so that I can tell you how it tastes like. It tastes amazing. It has a sweet flavor coming from berry and also a spicy flavor which is from ginger. So it's so amazing that how you can enjoy this superfood at the same time you can lose weight and boost your energy level, immune system, and digestive system, among all the other health benefits that you are getting from this superfood, super smoothie. So I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. For more videos, more recipes like this, please subscribe to our channel and like and share this video. Bye.